Hello, welcome to my tech. This is Minal and today's video is about how you can lock your Telegram Messenger by default without any third-party apps lock. With a default Telegram passcode lock, you can prevent unauthorized access to your chat messages. Once set, Telegram will request the passcode before granting access to your account. A Telegram passcode lock helps to keep prying eyes out. Now I am going to teach you guys how to get started and set up passcode lock in Telegram. So, to enable Telegram passcode lock on Android, open Telegram app and tap the Hamburg menu button in top right left corner. From the menu options, tap Settings, then tap Privacy and Security. Tap the passcode lock toggle button to turn it on. You will be prompted to enter a passcode. Enter a 4-digit code in the space provided. Your passcode lock is now enabled. You can also turn on an option to unlock your Android with a fingerprint if your device is so enabled and set it to auto lock in 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour or 5 hours. You can change your passcode from this scan. Now go back your chats list page and look, a padlock icon will appear on the top right corner. Simply tap the lock icon to lock your Telegram chats. So that's it. You done your job well. Now I'm going to showing you how to turn it off. Okay, just see. So guys, you know how to set up a passcode lock in your Telegram Messenger. Now, what to do if you forget your passcode? If you forget your mobile Telegram passcode, you will need to delete and reinstall the Telegram app to regain access your chats. However, all your secret chats will be lost. And today that's it. So guys, see you soon in the next video. Thank you.